We interrupt what you're watching right now to bring you this exciting story. Your cell phone is actually ringing.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys and guys, my name is Merul Khan. I am the seller of the Amazon products. Rove r2-4k dash cam, bullet and Wi-Fi GPS car dashboard camera, recorder with the UHD 2160p 2.4 inch LCD 150 wide angle VDR night version. This is the product's name. So the product information on the item widget 1.14 pounds. The product illumination 3 plus 2 0 1 plus 1 inch. Okay, the item is model number R2 and 4K. The batteries, the one lithium ion, the batteries, the recover, it is the discounted by the manufacturer, no discount, and the display type LCD, and the media playback support and the MP4. Okay friends, the customer review. The customer review is the 5 star in the 70%, and the 4 star is the 15%, the 3 star is 5%, the 2 star is 3%, and the 7 star is the 1 star is the 7%. Okay, 4K Ultra HD recording. The Rove R2 4K dash camera can recording video of the resolution of the 2160p, the Ultra HD video recording. The quality is so good that is you will notice much more clarity and the quality difference than all other car dash cams. Initially, super night vision, the technology helps to get the comparatively clearly the footage and the images from the recording in low and light condition. Bullet in the Wi-Fi. Use the review app to review and the Mangle dash cam recording ancestry on your iOS and the Android device. By the using the app, you can download your recording the 4K videos directly to your smartphone, and then easily share the social media with the friends and the family. The dash cam with the GPS, bullet and the GPS, exactly this recording you are driving, the location, the speed, view your the driving route and the tracker on the Google Map, Wi-Fi, the using the app or with the car and our car DV player with the previewed free frame over the upgrade for the car camera. The car dashboard camera has the f1.8 aperture, parking mode, the motion direction indication, the 150 inch A+ wide angle lens, the G sensor of the lobe safely recording emergency video, lock time, the lapse video, slow mo video, the support up to the 128 GB class, 10 UC the speed macro SD card, 100% UEC the chances the customer care. This the dash for car is the backed 1 year warranty. You can text us the faster response email or the customer care We will answer any you question using the SSU fast. If you are having in the debit, I come with a full refund. Rove dash camera for car. Review r2-4k is the today must advance and the powerful 4k video card, the dash camera and the future innovative NT the 96660 processor, OV the 4689 ultra low light the capture, MP CMOS sensor of f1.8 the large aperture, the 6 glass wide angle lens. The hardware is the designing into a preview and clearly 4K video not. The hardware is the meticulously the designing Christly and clear 4K videos not in only during the day but also during in the night time while it is ultra low light and capture sensor with the super night vision technology, the advanced software heart of this dash camera. We have spent the countless hours making it is the custom software for user friendly and the personalized experience that we dslr and today world. Warm tap class 10 U3 is the speed micro SD card for the 4K video. The recovered we recommend the Samsung class 10 U3 speed micro SD card max support the 1 GB or 128 GB. Not search on the Amazon. This camera is clear and easy to use once you get to know that each button does. The came with the 8-way before using it so that I could get a good understanding of everything. The video previewed as at the default setting, so I haven't even set at the 4K and it is the clear. I do recommend the 128 Samsung 10 class U3 SD card for it is the recording with the freezing. I have had any problem, but if I do, I will pass to any update. So far so good. I can comment on the app it because I haven't used it is but even I will update. Also I haven't used the player it there but I did download it for the Mac, so it is the Mac and PC compatible once is used this update the 2 and 15 and 219 finally used the same to work well for me. It was very easy to connect to and was able to see my video. I can figure out how to use the player to get a few insert SD card to my computer. It is all read from the video player and show the data, but that wasn't the cause. If you anyone the figures out how to do this, please let me know. Also I have integrated the camera into my video, meaning bohiked I kept so that could plug into the fast box for the direct power sure. I like the fact that it was very easy to do and I know turn off the minutes that I have the whistle and the turned off. The only time it is will turn back on if you have the parking mode on, but it short of the about 3 minutes after it this recorded and the impact will park it. When I turned my vehicle back on it spoke to me. AHD said parking mode was activated, so I know right away that I needed to check that happened. Anyway, so far so good and the video is the fitness check. When I learn work, then the player one will update again. Update is the 12 and 18 219. So I figured out the everything and so far so is good. I ended up buying another so because my son wanted on one just liked who easy it was, and the update the Rove put out for they also connected us when we ordered it. They just said that if we needed anything, they would be more than happy to speak on us over the phone with the live agent. They were very nice. I have not had HD and the problem with this cam. It all and the recommend to others. I just saw that they are having the sale on their website for can you say Christmas gift. They have the 15 to 25% off code on the website. I live. It is very way paid 20 to 25 to get the 25% off. Anyway, this is the great dash cam and the cold have asked for more. I am lovely customer. So guys, you see to my videos and enjoy this camera, and my videos like, share the other friends and subscribe my channel Zindabad TV channel. Okay, next video. Allah Hafiz.